Good morning. I just wanted to do a quick video recording of what I had for dinner last night. So I will put an image right there, and you can see that when I'm done editing the video. And I will make the image uh, come up bigger. Anyways, it was veg. It was um, yeah, it was good. Rice and hmm, broccoli and something else, some other vegetable. But anyways, it was pretty good. It came with its own flavoring and things like that. So um, it was awesome. Steamed it on the stove. Added a little bit of my own water because it was too crunchy, and I don't like it very crunchy when it's cooked or something like that. So it was just yeah, so I steamed it instead and put it on there for like 20 minutes on medium and low. Um, so yeah, good morning.